Syringe the doctor is IN, sales and marketing lessons. Magnifying glass tilted left. Number 1 Deep knowledge and product market fit, PMF, equals strong foundations. Your doctor spends years acquiring knowledge. You dive deep, build a solution with roots deeper than your neighbor's conspiracy theories. That's your booyah moment, product market fit. Half the selling is done, just like half your doctor's patients are cured with a prescription of bed rest. Man health worker. Number 2 Earn respect with authenticity. Your doctor, no longer Joe Schmo, now it's the Dr. Joe Schmo, MD. You upgrade from Joe Schmo to CEO extraordinaire, earn respect authentically, like posting cute cat memes on LinkedIn or sending your client handwritten thank you notes. Consistency is key, just like your doctor's handwriting. Trophy. Number 3 Showcase your credentials. Your doctor, clinic walls adorned with credentials. You showcase success like a peacock flaunts its feathers, landing pages, social media, even on your grandma's fridge. Keep learning and evolving, because evolution is not just for Pokemon. Ear. Number 4 Listen before you speak. Your doctor always first listens. You, before you pitch, listen. It's like dating, but with fewer awkward silences. Your client's challenges are your Sherlock Holmes mysteries, solve them like a consulting detective, but with a PowerPoint presentation. Pill. Number 5 Prescribe, don't recommend. Your doctor always prescribes, never recommends. You don't be a wishy-washy salesperson, prescribe solutions for your client's pain. It's like being a business doctor without the stethoscope. Your product isn't a suggestion, it's a cure, or at least a placebo that works like a charm. Grab your freebies at https://www.newbeginning.com/freebies for you. You can obtain the PDF for this video by making a request. Connect with us at weCare at newbeginning.com/freebies for you. Solopreneurs resource newbeginning.com. Solopreneurs digital www.mynewbeginning.com. Coming up